Let's have that conversation. Did you know? Being wise with your money can truly transform your life in remarkable ways. I want to share with you 3 compelling reasons why it's essential to be wise with your finances, and how it can inspire you to lead a more fulfilling life. Financial security. Picture this. You have a safety net that shields you from life's unexpected curveballs. You can handle emergencies, medical bills, and car repairs without breaking a sweat. Financial security gives you peace of mind and reduces stress. It's the foundation upon which you can build a more stable and confident future. Debt avoidance. Imagine a life free from the burden of debt. When you're wise with your money, you're less likely to fall into debt traps. You can make purchases without worrying about high interest payments eating away at your hard-earned cash. Instead, you can focus on building wealth and financial freedom. Financial freedom. Think about the dreams you have, the places you want to visit, and the experiences you want to enjoy. Being wise with your money is the pathway to achieving those dreams. It empowers you to save and invest wisely, so you can see your goals come to life. Financial freedom means you have the resources to live life on your terms, whether it's pursuing a passion, starting a business, or ensuring a comfortable retirement. So, let these reasons inspire you to take charge of your financial future. Being wise with your money isn't just about numbers, it's about creating a life filled with security, freedom, and endless possibilities. Start today, and you'll be amazed at the positive changes it can bring to your life.